Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is June 8th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, we have a lot going on out here. We have Mario Draghi and the ECB making their interest rate policy decision. Obviously, they've left things unchanged, but there is a press conference going on right now, so we'll see how that plays out. All in all, though, we do have the futures higher by 1 point. You can see the futures, though, have rolled over pretty decently here over the past hour. And right now we have Mario Draghi's press conference taking place, talking about leaving rates down at where they are, unchanged for longer. We'll see what else comes out of Mario Draghi. But either way, futures right now just higher by 1 point, but they have rolled off the morning highs. So we'll see where we go today. But we have lots of stocks in the news. And then at 10 o'clock this morning, we will have the former FBI director's testimony, James Comey, in front of a Senate Intelligence panel. So we'll see how that plays out. But lots of action today. Let's take a look at some stocks in the news. First one we're going to talk about today is SJM, which is J.M. Smucker. This is trading up at around $133 a share, closed at $130.88. This is on the back of earnings. I don't really know if we have a lot of upside here. So, again, be a little bit careful with this. Nice little pop, though. But, again, there's not much behind it. So we'll see where we go. If this does rally up, I have to think $135.50 is going to be some resistance there. So we'll see how it plays out. But either way, nice little pop-up. We will be looking at this one in the intraday stock chat room once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look here at Alibaba. This is making a soaring and roaring move. They have an investor day going on. Stock went from 125 close yesterday to 142 today. That is a huge pop for Alibaba. Dynamite, dynamite, dynamite move for Alibaba. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do anything here. You can't chase this up here at these levels. Now, in sympathy to the Alibaba move, you have other stocks moving as well. You have Yahoo, which is owns a big chunk of Alibaba. That is trading up decently. That stock closed at $50.55. It is now trading at $55.10. Briefly got to the 56 level a little while ago, but now pulling back a touch here. But still, that's a big pop for Yahoo. Remember, Yahoo is going to be sold to Verizon. So, again, we'll see how that plays out. But nonetheless, if you own Yahoo, trail your stop loss immediately. But that's a great move on the back of Alibaba. You also have JD moving higher today. That closed at $41.18, now trading at $43.20. We'll take a look at Baidu, BIDU. This is also trading up pretty nicely, closed at $187.50. This is now trading at $191.55. So real solid pop there for Baidu. This is all on the back of the Alibaba news. And again, Alibaba raising guidance at its Investor Day conference. So pretty big move there. Alibaba soaring and roaring. Let's take a look at NVIDIA. NVDA is the ticker symbol. Somebody's upgraded this, I believe, today. This is on the back of an upgrade. NVIDIA trading at $154.45, closed at $149. If you own NVIDIA, you just trail your stop loss. If you do not own it, there is nothing to do here. Let it go higher if it's going to. But again, this is now, again, in parabolic territory. So you don't want to chase that up there. This has been the stock of the year, no doubt about it. NVIDIA just soaring and roaring at the moment. Let's take a look at Sherwin-Williams. SHW is the ticker symbol there. Looks like this was upgraded today to a Goldman Sachs conviction buy list. Again, no pre-market action, but keep this on the radar. This should get some kind of a bid once the market opens. We'll see how that plays out. Sherwin-Williams put on Goldman Sachs conviction buy list. Let's take a look at MTN, which is Vail Resorts. Stock right now is trading at $207.60, closed at $214.96. So pretty good little sell-off for Vail Resorts. The only level that I'm seeing that looks decent here on Vail would be down around the 196 level. Gets to 196, you could step in there, but just remember, this is a light volume equity. And what I mean by a light volume equity, it only probably trades around 200,000, 300,000 shares a day. Sometimes it gets to 500,000. On a rare occasion, it will trade over 1 million, but on a good day, it's around 500,000 shares a day. So these things can overshoot a little bit, but I did work out a calculation of around 196, which should be pretty good support right now. Trading at 207, but it is down from 215 close yesterday. Let's take a look at Verint, VRNT. This stock, I believe, reported earnings. Stock is trading at $43.50, closed at $42.10. So nice little pop there. I don't know if there's a whole lot to do. Good resistance in play right now around the $45 level. So if it gets up to 45, watch for pretty good resistance there. I don't know if we're going to get much above that level. Next up, we have VRX on the radar today. This is Valiant Pharmaceuticals. Good pop today in Valiant. Stocks trading at $12.63. Briefly got to $12.90 or pierced $12.90 level. Closed at $12.17. It looks like they are selling a unit, another pharmaceutical unit, for $930 million, I think, to the Carlyle Group. But you could read the specifics there. Either way, stock's getting an uptick here. And again, I don't know if it's going to go a whole lot higher, but that is the news behind it. Let's take a look at Urban Outfitters. URBN is the ticker symbol here. Stock is getting absolutely crushed this morning. Closed at $18.23, now trading at $16. With good conscience, I don't know if there's any real reason to even own this stock at this stage of the game. You do have a pivot low going all the way back to November 2008 at around $12. That might be an area where traders could step in, but right now, good sell-off for Urban Outfitters. We'll see where it settles in. We'll keep it on the radar today. We'll glance at it in the intraday stock chart and we'll see where it goes from there. And again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. Let's go over to the gold market today. Gold futures right now trading down $7.40 to $1,285.80 an ounce. GLD right now trading at 122.11. Gold has been pretty strong as of late. Today it is pulling back a little bit. You have crude oil down 47 cents this morning to $45.25 a barrel. So crude getting hammered yesterday and getting hit pretty hard today. You'll see the USO now trading at $9.35, closed at $9.46 yesterday. This is really fallen pretty hard. I do think oil is going to start to stabilize around here. I'm just looking for some bottoming patterns, but nonetheless, crude still under pressure this morning and in a big way. So we're going to leave it there, short and sweet. Again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You will see everything that we are doing in there. Trade right alongside of us, and we're having a great 2017. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.